Hello everyone, in this video we're taking a look at the infamous fuel flap release actuator. This is something that you will have to change in your ownership of the Audi A4 B8. At this point in time when I'm recording this video, this is the second actuator that the car should be receiving. You can see the previous marks from when the other guys have changed it. In the history of the car, the main dealer history, it shows that the car had already changed, or Audi had changed that actuator in the dealership. It's an easy thing to remove. It's not a very expensive part. Here you can get a general overview of what you will have to do to take it out. Once I took it out, I wanted to see what's inside. I sealed the fuel flap because I was expecting to receive the new part the second day. Here is where we are doing a teardown. Everything was removed. I checked the things inside. At the beginning they didn't want to work always like they should, but in the end I kind of managed to reassemble it, glue it back together, because you see I'm not removing it very carefully. I destroyed the clips. So in the end I managed to re-glue everything, and because I was expecting for the fuel flap actuator to be delivered the second day, I didn't want to leave the car overnight without the fuel flap, so I reassembled everything, reinstalled everything, and strangely enough, until the day that I sold the car, that actuator worked. I ended up returning the new part. Here you have a teardown. You have a general view of the parts that are in that actuator. Maybe this helps. Many of you will have an easier life just changing the part. They have a very ingenious way of assembling it. So I hope that this video helps. If I forgot something or if you have ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next one.